My name is K.S. Malagi. I am 72. I am staying in Vijayanagar, RPC layout. My third daughter, Vasudha, she is having a problem as diagnosed by the doctors that she is having this paraplegia. That means the lower portion of the body, they have become slightly inactive. Doctors say only the physiotherapy is the remedy. We have been getting her the physiotherapy, it has not helped. We have tried the allopathy, we have tried the homeopathy, we have tried the Ayurveda, and we have also had taken her to Jigni, to the yoga ashrama of Dr. Nagratna and Dr. Nagendra. We kept her for 1 month. We did not see much of an improvement because we could not continue what exercises they had recommended. Now, after seeing this miracle brought out by Sri S.M. Raju, we are now motivated to go in for that since 2 months. So far, last April 12th onwards, we are giving her this medicine as suggested by the doctor. The dosage is being given, plus this flax powder also is being given, agse majige we are giving her. Now one important improvement that we see in her is she is not frequently falling down. Otherwise she used to regularly, once or twice she used to fall down from a standing position. Now that is slightly improved now. We are now wanting to see the activation of her other muscles so that she can be independently able to walk around and then do her routine course. Food and all, she is taking normal food and she is getting good sleep also. But only thing is her body cells have to further activate as suggested by Sri Raju. They are definitely going to be activated. We are feeling motivated that it will further improve.